Access Control, Shadow Creek Ranch, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Shadow Creek Ranch, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Shadow Creek Ranch, Texas. Install an access control system to manage employee access and track who is coming and going. Employee productivity is essential for any business to be successful. A business's security is always a top priority in any community, and Shadow Creek Ranch is no exception. This ensures that only those with a legitimate reason for being here are allowed in and helps to deter crime. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today. 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Shadow Creek Ranch access control/.